Aurora is a battery-free bicycle lighting system. The wheel-mounted lights are powered by strong neodymium magnets. When a bike's wheel starts to spin, the lights move past the magnets, and the generated electric energy is stored in the capacitor. When it's charged, Aurora lights up.
Cycle began here on Kickstarter in 2014 with the launch of wing lights, direction indicators for bicycles. In these years, we have relentlessly continued to innovate in our quest to make cycling safer and more enjoyable. And we're proud to say that the roads of the world are now 50,000 wing lights safer. Everything started here on Kickstarter, and for this reason, we decided to share the next milestone in our journey. Building on your feedback over the last 3 years, we are now ready to present the most versatile wing lights ever, Wing Lights 360. Wing Lights 360 are the natural evolution of wing lights. Not only do they make you more visible when you are turning, they also ensure that you will be seen from any angle, anytime you're riding your bike, thanks to the permanently activated side lights. With one long press of the button, 2 sets of LEDs turn on, providing you with unparalleled, all-round visibility. When overtaking, other road users are more likely to maintain a wider distance, as they will be constantly aware of the cyclist's positioning and recognize the width of their handlebars. When you have to turn, a single tap will transform your Wing Lights 360 from side lights into direction indicators. Our new orange LEDs are brighter and sit behind see-through car-like lenses for optimal light diffusion, guaranteeing that you can be seen as far as 50 meters away. After 45 seconds, the blinking will stop, and the activated wing lights will go back to the side light function automatically, or you can tap again to do so manually. Wing Lights 360 is an engineering masterpiece. A firm connection between the light and the mounters is ensured by our patented mounting system, now featuring even more powerful magnets and a thread coupling. Italian design at its finest, Wing Lights 360 sports a sturdy CNC'd aluminium body in elegant anodized matte black. Beautiful. Water and dustproof for lifelong durability, Wing Lights 360 are IP67 certified. Our keychain allows you to store Wing Lights 360 in seconds and carry them away with you wherever you go, as well as using them as a safety light whenever needed. And now, Wing Lights are also USB rechargeable, ensuring over 150 minutes of continuous use as side lights, or several weeks when used only as indicators, all with a charging time of less than 30 minutes. 4 years ago, there was only 2 of us. Now, we're a team of passionate cyclists sharing the same mission, with plenty more experience and knowledge in the field of urban mobility. We are back here because we believe in the disrupting power of this community and in its capability of transforming visions into realities. We're here because you deserve a brighter, smarter and safer wing lights. Because more needs to be done to guarantee the safety of every cyclist. So join us again in making cycling safer for everyone. Thank you.
You're used to changing your shoes and jacket to match the location or the weather. Why shouldn't you be able to do the same with your bike? The answer is, you can. ReTire is the only tire that allows you to change the tire surface to match any condition you face. Whether it's snow or ice, the bike trail, downhill, off-road, or pure asphalt, with ReTire, you're always ready for what comes next. Just like a jacket, you put the zippers together and pull the slider around the tire to tighten the skin. It can be annoying to change a regular tire. With ReTire, you're all set in less than a minute. The skins are easy to fold and fit perfectly into a backpack. Whether you have a hybrid, terrain, mountain, electric, or any other bike, choose ReTire and enjoy your freedom. because easier is better.